Hey Mini enthusiasts, how you doing? I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're all well. Today we're going to go out for a bit of a ride in PIIIOW and go and have a look at a Mini that's for sale. I kind of want to buy it, but I haven't really got the money and I've already started Project TARDIS, so I don't really want another Mini sitting around, but I will have a bid. It's on eBay. I personally don't think my pockets are deep enough, but we'll see how it goes. It's a lovely day today, as you can see behind. So really sort of nice sunny autumnal weather, so it'd be nice to get out in PIIIOW because I haven't been out in it for ages. The battery was flat, the tyres were flat, so we've got it all ready to go. Let's go out for a bit of a ride and have a look at this Mini. So it's for sale by a friend of mine called Rhys, and it's a 1960 Mini. It was built in the first year of manufacture, so I think it's June 1960. So it's got a lot of original features, a lot of original details on it, but it wants a full restoration. It's not moved since 1984 and it's been dry stored since then. But yeah, as you'll see in a moment, it's probably as close to a barn find without actually being dragged out of a barn that I think you can get to. I mean, it's still got all the, yeah, original dirt and mess and receipts all in it. It's a really interesting car though, because of the original sort of early, yeah, very early Mini features. So let's get down there, something a little bit different in the video, and let's see what it looks like.